Please hang up and try again.
Hello everybody, today's Monday and I'm going to be going to Sedona with my friends and I wanted to bring you along on this adventure. We're going to go hiking in some caves and then hike a longer one on Tuesday. If you guys don't know where Sedona is, it's in Arizona and they have red rocks, I think. Sorry, it's no gaming content, but I got this really cool microphone. And now I feel like a baby newscaster. Anyways, have fun and come enjoy nature. Go outside today. Cool. Thanks.
You have spray?
Wait, let me put music on.
Hi, these are my friends. This is Alyssa.
Hi. The other
They have
Alyssa.
spray?
It's the other Alyssa. Yeah, they should have spray. This is Jan. Yeah. Oh, sorry, we're talking about sunscreen. Jan only likes spray.
Okay.
Jan, what are you most excited for about the hiking trip?
I'll take a nap in the car.
Alyssa, what are you most excited about to go hiking?
Caves.
Yep, caves. I had to put it in your mouth. Okay, so now we're gonna drive and bye. Kind of. So, fun fact about this McDonald's, they have turquoise arches because the city of Sedona says they're not allowed to have golden arches because it will interfere with the landscape of their city. This is our room. We have a lovely living room with a lovely living room with a fireplace. Trees. Look at the trees. Say hi. Here's the bedroom with another TV. Such a view. We're gonna finish putting your stuff away and then go out and do some hikes. I'm so excited.
What is it?
Right now we're heading to the birthing cave. It's shaped like a birthing canal. The vagina. Oop.
That looks...
Uh-oh.
What the fuck? That's...
Sometimes we asked someone how far something was, and they said right around the corner. We're like, oh, thank God. 2 fucking hours later we got there. It's like right around what corner? Like his corner and my corner.
3 different trips? I think it's this one.
Blind
I'm
baby.
pretty fucking white.
With my life damnation, you realize all the time we wasting. You realize all the pain we facing. These poor cup feminine libation. My gosh, we raising. These sympathize all the lies we raising. These realize all the time. Family energy.
Stop. Look how pretty the sky is.
I found it.
Cave time.
Wait, it says Longton, is that?
Dead Man's Pass. So our hike, we didn't find it. We didn't find the cave.
Yeah, we didn't find it.
But, you know, another day.
I like it.
I love Olive Garden.
Breadsticks.
It's Tuesday morning. Everybody's still sleeping. So I'm making us some breakfast and we're gonna check out of the hotel and go do some more hikes today. We're gonna go to a cave called the Devil's Kitchen, and because we didn't get to go there yesterday, it was closed and it was full. So we're gonna go there first, and then we're gonna go on a longer hike that I'm really excited to show you guys because Alyssa has some cool pictures on it and it looks pretty sick. Here's the map for Devil's Kitchen. Here we go.
Drink a couple quarters on my course, then I go up. If I rule the world, money stacks for all my daughters. Never ask for payment in the womb ×9. Now we see the blood on the street times try. Feminine energy, balance up the indestructible in the vaginal heaven in.
Here's Devil's Kitchen. How do you feel about this, Jan?
Well, we can't go in it, so, but it's cool.
Alyssa just wants to find the cave. So we thought that Devil's Kitchen was a cave, but it's actually a historic cave that collapsed and became a sinkhole.
Bitch.
Here. Hi. Bye. Oh. It looks like this.
This is some sturdy wood.
That's what we're looking for. Does this rock look like it? We are going to West Fork Trail.
Thine, heaven is mine. Spiritual, lyrical, mother sang sweetest taboo, lyrical kind. If I was astonished by the level of shame, feminine energy reign. Intuition and ambition, intuition strain. Intuition and ambition running through my vein. Feminine energy, balance up the indestructible in the vaginal heaven in thine. She sing a melody to pass the time. Give us her energy so she heal mine.
There's an old house over here. Ooh, I love what you've done with the place.
Yeah, my first thought was that's what it looks like, like a bowling alley shoe rack, but
Wilderness.
see it?
Oh, I see it.
That's a tiny nest.
Where's the nest?
Right there. Take a picture.
Oh,
How did that kid see?
yeah. There's the nest. Trees. Trees.
There's nothing out here except for bugs. What are you videotaping?
Rocks. Rocks.
Oh, that is pretty.
One shot, two shot, 3 times sorrows. Carry all the weight of the world on your shoulders. Give a couple crowns to the woman who had bore us. Told us, focus, love and support us.
We found some water. We're gonna hang out and have some snacks.
Magical, umbilical, my universe is radical. Introduce the nation to embracing what is factual. Intuition and ambition, intuition strength. Intuition and ambition running through my vein. Female energy. Female energy. Female energy.
So we're on our way back, and now we're gonna go get Chipotle. And I rate
a view.
this, yeah, Chipotle with a view. I rate this hike 9 out of
You can
10.
rate the other ones.
So
That's because
what
they're
do you
probably
rate it
bitches.
yourself?
Yeah, I would say it's a solid 8, 7.5 to 8 out of 10.
So Alyssa, what did you rate it? She said 7 or 8. This one was fun.
We are now filming on the car ride back from Sedona.
So on a
Alyssa's driving and Alyssa is just chilling.
I collected some rocks. I went West Fork Trail in Sedona.
So Alyssa, what were you most excited for before we came?
I was most excited for hiking and seeing a lot of big rocks. I love rocks. They're my favorite.
Alyssa likes rocks.
I do. And now that we're leaving, I am very satisfied with all the rocks I saw. I'm excited to come back and see more.
Very interesting.
overall, we had a great time in Sedona, Arizona. We're gonna come back again, and we're gonna climb some other. Oh yeah, we're gonna go to Slide Rock, and we're gonna go find some actual caves because we got straight up swindled, and kind of sad we didn't get to see the birthing cave, and we didn't get to see. Yeah, it was a very weird time, and it was getting dark, so we just wanted to not get eaten by cougars. But overall, I had a great time with my friends, getting out, doing some physical activity because I've been stuck inside for so long. Thank you for watching. Like it, subscribe it. Bye.